Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going through the installation of MOTO CNC bar raiser which I have bought online from MOTO CNC website. It's a very quite good build quality and I was searching for this bar raiser since a long time. I am owning this bike since last 2 years. So the problem with this bike is it's a sport bike, but sport and cruiser bike. So the issue is what the posture is not as good for long rides. So I was searching for the bar raiser and I ordered this on Moto CNC. It reached by me on time. So today I am showing you the installation video. So we need a Allen key set for opening this. The company bar is having 3 screws as shown in the video. Right now we are opening the second screw. First is on the top and second is on the side. By opening we will raise the handle. Be cautious, please use a cloth to cover the tank, otherwise you will be ending up damaging your tank and scratches will be there, so it is better avoidable. So then we are taking this bar razor. It is very perfectly made. You can see it's a company made and so fits one on one. So we use the left side one and so this 2 screw are there which needs to be unscrew, loosen, and as you can see it fits. Now we will just put this handle on the top, and first we will screw the tighten the screw on the top, which will help us help the bar to stay on a position. Otherwise, if you tighten the side screws, then the bar will be on side and it can be moved. So you won't be able to tighten this screw in the last. So first tighten this screw, and then you have to need to tighten 3 screws. One is on the bar and 2 is on the accessory which is provided by the Moto CNC, which means the bar raiser. So this is tightened and checked thoroughly that it is properly fit. You don't need to take a chance, because we are always cruising on high speeds and the vibration can cause the screw to loosen if it is not tight enough. So the one screw is tightened and side screws, there are 3 screws, will be tightened now. The Allen key set which I am using for this installment is Taparia set, which is very sturdy set and far easily available in all over India. It's costing around 3,500 rupees, which is around 50 to 60 bucks. Installment on right side is little tricky because there is a oil container, as you can see in this video. So for the oil container, either you need to remove this oil container, or otherwise, as I have you can see I have opened by angle. It might damage the screw, but you don't need the screw if you are installing that Moto CNC bar raiser, because once you install that bar raiser, this screw will be of no use. So same procedure, very easy installment, and you remove this handle by unscrewing top screw and one screw on the side, and again you place that right sided Moto CNC bar raiser of right part. You apply that and you tighten the uh, you put that, and again you put the handle and tighten the top screw, and then you tighten 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3 from above to below, and make sure that all screw is tightened, because you are always cruising on high speeds, and we don't need to have any um, problems, because of vibrations are high at higher speed, and if you any Allen key, any Allen screw or nut is open or loose, it might get off. So you don't want that. So please check all screws and nuts are tight properly. There are no nut, but there are screws which need to be tightened properly. So otherwise, it's very easy, and I will show you after pictures after completion of this installation. So I recommend all of the Ninja owner to get this bar raiser installed, because not we are not always using this bike as a sport bike. We are often using this bike as a cruiser bike, but because of the sport posture, our shoulder are paining a lot. So thanks to Moto CNC for giving this wonderful product, and they have delivered me from UK to India in less than 10 days. So thank you very much for that. Thank you, Moto CNC, and thank you for this very wonderful product. This is giving me the perfect posture for bike riding. Thank you very much.